The European states repeatedly clashed with Napoleon, but he was defeated only in the summer of 1813 after the unification of the forces of the four great powers in Sweden. But why is that? Napoleon used to defeat allied armies one by one, but things changed in 1813. Napoleon lost his cavalry in Russia in 1812 and was not able to restore it to its full extent. During the truce, he assembled a new army, but most recruits had no combat experience. In 1813, the Allies managed to coordinate the actions of their troops and to establish joint command and supply routes. Bonaparte had hoped for a surge of patriotism, but France was tired of wars. With Napoleon gone, the French began to hold out hopes for peace. In the spring of 1814, when the Allies took Paris, the marshals forced Napoleon to abdicate.